What's the meaning of Coldplay? Coldplay. Coldplay.
Coldplay. Coldplay. Coldplay is a British rock band formed in London in 1996. The band consists of lead vocalist and pianist Chris Martin, lead guitarist Johnny Buckland, bassist Guy Berryman, and drummer Will Champion. Coldplay gained fame with their debut album Parachutes in 2000, which included hit singles such as Yellow and Trouble. Their music style has been described as pop rock, alternative rock, post-Britpop, and piano rock. The band has won numerous awards, including 7 Grammy Awards, and sold over 100 million records worldwide.